One of the best ways to maintain your drains is to use Grease Be Gone with hot water. Today we're going to show you how to use Grease Be Gone or even Grease Be Gone Cherry to do this. So what you want to do with this is have a 1 to 5 dilution. So add the appropriate amount of water in my bucket. And I'm going to take my Grease Be Gone pint. You can use gallons too if you're doing larger areas. I'm just going to pour my pint of Grease Be Gone in. So while you're mixing the product and you're getting ready to pour in the drains, you always want to remember to wear your proper PPE, gloves, and safety glasses. And then we can just go around. And you want to pour about 5 to 8 ounces of this product into your floor drains. And you can see it's a nice white milky mixture. You can also treat your sink drains or any other drains you could think of where you might have some buildup. And you could just pour this right into the drain. So using any of our Grease Be Gone products 1 to 5 with hot water to maintain all your drains in your facility will leave your drains smelling nice and do a great job of keeping them clean so you don't have any backups.